Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is filmed a little bit differently, so I would love it if you guys can leave in the comments below if you like the new way that this video is being filmed, with the lighting, with everything. You can see more of the picture behind me. Guys, I would love your feedback. So if you guys don't mind just leaving it in the comments below how you guys feel about it. And what this video is actually going to be on is an e.l.f. haul that I recently had. So let's get into it. So I got a $75 gift certificate to e.l.f. from my sister for my birthday, and I thought, let me make the most out of this and just show everybody, you know, what I got. So some of the stuff isn't in the box, but that's because it's a duplicate. So I will just let you know that I got more than one of it. I split it into two orders because they were giving away a free gift with purchase. I think if you spent maybe $25, so I split it into two purchases. I haven't used like any of this stuff. So I got the liner and brow cream, which I'm super excited to try because this eyebrow kit is like my favorite. It's literally what I use every day. It's what I have on my brows right now. It's like kind of running out, so I wanted to get another one. But then I was like, let me try the liner and brow cream too. An espresso, so I thought that'd be cool. I don't really have too many brown eyeliners. I mainly have black if I wear eyeliner. So I just thought it'd be cool, try it out. I'm definitely going to be doing like full reviews on these in the future, but for today, it's just showing you guys what I got. So I also got this H2O proof eyeliner pen in black. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm thinking that it might be similar to a MAC eyeliner that I have, so I'll let you guys know for sure if it is, but it is waterproof. It's in black. I also got this tinted moisturizer. I try to steer away from things like foundations or concealers whenever I'm shopping online because I never know what color I am unless I've purchased it in the past and know. So I always have a hard time with that, but this one I found in beige. So I will be letting you guys know how this works. I got their Dewy Setting Mist. I love setting sprays, so I'm very excited that I got this one. It was relatively inexpensive. It was actually one of the more expensive things that I purchased, but like for a setting spray, it really wasn't that bad, so I'm excited to try this. I got this Molten Liquid eyeshadow. So I strategically broke this into order so that it was right around the $25 mark so that I can get the free gift with purchase, which is why it was broken into two purchases. But for this video, it's gonna be one video. So I got this. These I originally saw similar to this on Sephora. Stila had it. It was like the Stila liquid liners, 20 bucks there, like crazy, $25, like something crazy, so expensive. So when I saw this on the website, I was like, yes, I definitely want to try it. And MAC recently came out, well, by the time this video comes out, it's not going to be that recent, but MAC recently came out with liquid eyeshadows as well. So I do have a few of those, and I just want to kind of compare them in a video, and hopefully you guys are interested in seeing that. I know that in the past I've done videos like that where I've like compared e.l.f. to MAC, and this was like the early days on my channel, and those videos were pretty successful, so I assume that you guys actually did want to see that. So I will be bringing videos like that back. This was $4 on e.l.f.'s website, but this color in particular was $2.80 or 40 cents, $2.40. So I was like, yeah, yes, thank you very much. And then I also got another brow product. This is the Instant Lift, I believe, brow pencil in deep brown. And then it just has like a spoolie on one side, and then the other side, you know, you just kind of line it with. So yeah. And then with my free gift, I got, oh, I already opened this. Like, I'm such a small little animal, but I got this e.l.f. Clay eyeshadow palette, which is like $6 on its own, and it has a few eyeshadows in it. And then I also got this duo lipstick. So there's two different colors on either side. So this was the free gift with $25 purchase. Yeah. So there you go. I got both. So I got both of these for free with that order. So then I placed another order so that I can get both of these for free again, and we'll go over that. So I got this little thing for selfies. I wanted to try it really bad. So it's on the Glow selfie light. It's like $12 on the website. I accidentally wound up getting two of them, which was like so annoying because I was like, I could have used that $12 and got so much more makeup. But in my frugality, and when I was just trying to like get the most out of everything, I wound up adding two of these into my cart. So I do have two, but I am going to give one away to a friend of mine who I think will appreciate it. I also got this eyeliner. I know I haven't really been talking about pricing because I don't remember exactly how much everything was, but some things I do. And this was like 70 cents. So that's why I got it. So this is a blue eyeliner, which like I don't really use, but like it was like 70 cents, so I got it. Then I got this primer infused bronzer because I kind of want to do a full face doing e.l.f. makeup. I don't know if you guys are going to want to see that. Let me know in the comments below, but if you guys do, I thought that it would be cool to like have a bronzer like this. Plus, I'm doing the Project Pan right now, and I am running low on my bronzer because I use bronzer every single day. You probably can't tell because the lighting is like making me white. But I always wear bronzer, so that is something that I'm actually going through, and I don't have another inexpensive one, which is like so counterproductive because it's a Project Pan. You're supposed to be getting rid of stuff, but I think it's good that I'm getting rid of it and to add something like this back into my rotation to use personally. Okay, I don't actually have it in here, but this is the dual-sided silicone blender. I've been testing it out just to see like how I feel. So pretty much it's like a beauty blender, but it's silicone and it's like flat. It's not like whatever. So you're supposed to use like way less product. I don't have a full review for you guys because I've only used it a few times, and honestly, like I don't reach for it because it's more brain work than anything else. But I will try to put it more into my rotation, and so I can give you guys a fair review in the future. And then, as I had mentioned in the beginning, this is the eyebrow kit, which I'm super, super excited. I get it in dark. This is the color that I have in my brows right now. I have one already and it's like finishing up. So I wanted to make sure that I never have to go a day without this in case I want it as my backup. And then I also got this liner. This is Sparkling Silver. I believe this was on sale too. I think I purchased this one on sale. But it's just like a shimmery silver liner, which I think will be fun to do makeup looks with. It's in Stardust and it's a glitter eyeliner. If you guys have been on my channel for a while, you know that I don't really do crazy makeup on myself. I'm doing more natural makeup on myself. That's just my comfort zone. That's just what I do. And I am a professional makeup artist. So I do get to play around on my sister-in-law and my sister and people that I know and who will just let me like have a Sunday and just do their makeup. So that is kind of what I want to bring to you guys more on my channel. So I hope that those are videos that you guys want to see in the near future, because that is the direction I am taking my channel in, and also doing hair tutorials and stuff like that on real life people and real life clients and whoever lets me film their appointment. So I hope that you guys like this video, and I hope that you like the videos that I have coming up in the future. Thank you guys so, so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe. And until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye guys.